Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is another video in the series of do-it-yourself adaptations for learning resources that you use every day or some that are tucked away waiting to be used. I just created a video that showed how you can do your own puzzle board for pretty simple 6-piece puzzles. Probably simple to us, but a little bit complicated for some of our littles, especially if they're toddlers or young preschoolers or so, to get the concept of how to create that picture and really paying attention to the details. I also created a puzzle board here. This is on construction paper though, for two puzzles that I'm using from Erica's Letter of the Week curriculum. She's of confessionsofahomschooler.com, and I'll link that information below. But I've done that as well with the snowman puzzle here. Well, we've taken it apart since then, but this time I took it a step further. Besides doing just a puzzle board for this puzzle in particular, I also did a cut and paste activity. So my daughter, she cut out the pieces here and I trimmed them up a little bit for this video, and she was able to glue or paste these together into the right place. So this was a time where I ran out of cardstock, and I said, well, perhaps we can make this into an arts and craft activity, extend the activity a little bit more to give her a chance to practice on some more skills, and also to give her that independence and to be able to complete this on her own here. So just the simple technique of using construction paper to make a puzzle board, allowing your child, your student, to do some cutting practice and some glue practice here as well. So we've done this for the Ages for Hippo, and I've also created a puzzle board for this one, but she didn't glue this one into place. So please share below in the comment section if you have done this with the puzzle activity, have taken it a step further besides just creating the picture, but also making it into an arts and craft activity, or sometimes making the puzzle even more complicated by cutting out smaller pieces. Maybe you've done that before. Please share, like, comment, subscribe, and do be looking for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Be well. See you soon. Thank you.